Let's go. Chat, it's that little kids out of kid, up skate, little skate, cast, little boy, you already know, buddy, and I got the 410 boy, man. We back here with another one, man. We back at it like a crack addict, back with his worst habit, man. We back with another video. Today we here with some different shit, man. Today we here with some Hurricane Wisdom. Chat, I've never seen or heard Hurricane Wisdom outside of like, I saw a couple other people like react to his music. I saw my bro Gotti react to his one song. I can't remember the name of it, but y'all know. Link in the description down to that nigga channel if y'all want to check out that Hurricane Wisdom reaction. This is my first time actually clicking on one of this nigga songs though. So without further ado, let's get into it, chat. Make sure y'all got y'all super wrist over whoop wrist. And without further ado, we gonna get into it.
Tuned up. Everybody. Everybody. Tell me why they ain't outside, but they scared probably. And I be thinking about when I drop, but shit don't have body. Say them fuck everybody, tell them I won't have problem. Better stay what you here for. You touching real money, here come all the old kin from. Frontline, boy, I promise I'm here for you. You know anything you need, you get called. And I know my problem, I give my heart if you need it. Don't see nada, real niggas always seem to see it. Bro, keep quiet, whole time you fighting. Somebody can't get no sleep, he been pure codeine. Even off a weed, say you got the shots, you need it. Ain't no help, I'm singing me like I ain't got no pain. Ain't no help, I'm singing me like I ain't got no friends. Been no gins, been no blend, I been run them CM. They say I don't be outside. When I am, they be like, how time? It's the only thing that I know. Hey, city to city, fuck us outside. I know my credit think I'm worldwide. Know that I ain't worldwide. Truth be told, I got the worldwide. You push up black to black, try to shows. Mama, I don't try. About y'all, cause I'm about my. Ain't got no what I'm wrong. Just know this on everybody. Everybody. Tell me why they ain't outside, but they scared probably. And I be thinking about when I drop, but shit don't have body. Say them fuck everybody, tell them I won't have problem. Better stay what you here for. We was touching real money, here come all the old kin from. And I'm frontline, boy, I promise I'm here for you. You know anything you need, you get called on me.
Nah, that's hard though. Nah, that shit was rough. Ted, that was the Hurricane Wisdom Frontline. I can't lie, I fuck with that, bro. I didn't expect bro to come out on that bitch singing, to be honest. That shit kind of came out of left field to me, but that bitch was raw as hell. So yeah, that was the Hurricane Wisdom Frontline, man. Chat, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Make sure y'all drop any other reactions y'all want in the future down below in the comments. With that being said, without further ado, whoop in that little cash shit. Glue boy, you already know where they are. Nigga out the 410 boy signing off, man. I'ma see y'all niggas in the next one. Chat, stay blessed, stay prayed up, stay hydrated. Without further ado, we gonna salute y'all.